Hey, what's good guys? Calvin B back with another video for you guys today. And in today's video, well, we already did a unboxing for the lVLUP Pro Gaming headset. If you guys have not seen that video, make sure you check it out. Link is in the description. But this video is not about that, all right? So we're just gonna put this back over here to the side. Today's video is about another lVLUP product. lVLUP Pro Gaming mouse. Now this mouse features a DPI control, which I think is pretty interesting. The Bitech mouse did not provide any extra features besides the lighting of the mouse, which this does also feature the lighting of the mouse, but it also has a DPI control on it. Let's see. DPI ranges from 800, which is the lowest, up to 1200, which is the highest, and a middle range of 1000. So about 1 to 1.5x speed of the mouse. Let's go ahead and open this up because really there's nothing much on the package that is gonna be, you know, trying a different setup here with my different camera because I had focusing issues for my last video that I did. So I do apologize that there's no unboxing angle this time. But let's go ahead and take this out. I'm pretty sure there's really not much to unbox for this. And I was right about that. All right. So all you get in the box is an instruction manual on where everything is. We're gonna look at the mouse in closer detail. And we also get the mouse, all right? Now this feels a little bit like a tiny bit heavier than the Bitech mouse. We're gonna go ahead and get a close-up of this, but yeah, let's actually do that right now. So here we got the lVLUP mouse up close and personal, and as you can see here, we got the laser cutouts for the lighting on the mouse, and also we got the lVLUP branding on the back, which is actually pretty cool. Standard mouse clicks, nothing too special about it, but what I'm looking for right here, the DPI control button, man, that actually has a nice click to it. That is pretty cool. We got the scroll wheel, pretty nice. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 buttons, or 5 function buttons on this mouse. But that's pretty much the close-up of the lVLUP Pro Gaming mouse. It looks pretty cool. The box says it has a futuristic ergonomic design on it, so that's actually true. This mouse looks dope. But let's go ahead and see what it looks like turned on. Now that we got that close-up out of the way, let's go ahead and check and see what this looks like all plugged in. Now I do have my tablet here, which we're gonna be using for this demonstration. I have a USB hub right here, and I have my USB-C to full USB adapter. So we'll be able to plug that up. So let's go ahead and plug this up to our tablet. And as you can see here, don't know if you can see that, but it is actually on. You can see you probably can see. But this does have LED RGB lights on it, which you can't really control, but yeah. All right, so let's go ahead, plug this in. Boom. All right, we got the lights on. All right, it's kind of fading. Actually, it's like a static color, and then it kind of fades to a different color. Okay. All right, so it kind of fades to a different color, then it stays solid for a little bit, then it kind of changes after a little bit. But filling this, I probably need something to have this on. All right, so pretty nice. All right, let me see if I can bring up the screen for you guys so you guys can see what I'm actually doing here. So I'm editing this video and I just realized something. The screen recorder on my tablet actually recorded the screen in 480p, which the resolution is absolutely horrible. So hopefully you guys will get what I'm showing you as far as the DPI controls and how it works and how it looks. So yeah, back to the video. So I have the screen up for you guys so you can actually see the mouse on the screen. I did have it up before, but you couldn't really see it. But this is the mouse connected to my tablet. And as you can see, I believe this is the normal DPI setting at 800 DPI. But let's go ahead and click that button. Nice click to it. All right. Looks to be a little bit faster. All right, so this is, I believe, 1000 DPI, so about 1.25 of the standard DPI. And as we see here, this may be the 1200. Kind of hard to tell, yeah. So this is 800 here. As you can see, that's 1000, and also that is 1200. Not one, yeah, 1000, and this is 1200. So pretty nice. All right, we're gonna go back, and if we wanted to check the weather, all right, this is all just me controlling it with the mouse here. All right, we're going to go back. It's interesting because the right click button is pretty much the back button for the tablet. And yeah, that's pretty interesting. But that's pretty much what it looks like. It's actually pretty cool because, as you can see, it's actually two different colors. Like on the bottom here, you got yellow and green. Well, yellow and green at the top now, and then you got like a light blue. And then it kind of like fades. So the light blue is at the top now, and then the purple. And then the purple is at the top. Now you got the white at the bottom. Pretty cool. It's actually pretty cool. So it's like a wave type thing. But that's pretty much the lVLUP mouse, the lVLUP Pro Gaming mouse in use. I think it's actually pretty interesting because this mouse actually provides more features than the Vivitar, but this mouse actually only cost about like, I believe, $7 or $8. So I think it was $8. But $8 for this, not bad. I like the DPI setting on here because if you're playing the game or you're playing like a first-person shooter on PC, you can change that DPI setting. You won't have to go to the sensitivity settings at all. You probably would have to, but I think it's pretty cool. But that's pretty much about it for the use, for the unboxing, for the lVLUP Pro Gaming not headset, oh, Joe. The lVLUP Pro Gaming mouse, all right? The lVLUP Pro Gaming mouse. That's about it for the unboxing and first impressions. I think that I would give this, out of 5 stars, I would give it a 4. 4 mainly because, yeah, it's not the best mouse out there on the market, but at the same time, if you're looking for something that's going to improve the look of the aesthetic of your setup, of your RGB setup, it's not just like one set color and it changes, it's bi-color. So that's pretty interesting to me. Also, you got the DPI control up there, so that is like, that's something that I really enjoy on these mouse. Even the, I forgot what the name of the mouse was, but I'll have a picture up here. I did a review for a performance mouse that had a DPI changer on it, and that's my main mouse that I use. Like, I use it over everything. So, but that's enough of me rambling on. That's enough of this. Slap a like on the video, subscribe for more content. Also, turn on those post notifications so you're notified every single time I upload a video. Some changes coming, and I'm gonna try and work around it, but that's enough. I'm rambling on. Don't forget to be brilliant, stay inspired. You guys know what it is. Yes, you know what it is. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.